Okay, so now I got the EGR tube loose. We got all the vacuum lines pulled right here. I pulled them aside. Here's one of them I pulled aside. This little guy, that goes, this guy, I probably couldn't tell you what the hell it was unless I looked it up, but he connects into the vacuum lines right underneath. This vacuum line I pulled over to the side as well. And these are loose, so once I pull this whole thing off, I can move them. So now I got the EGR nut loose, and I think I'm gonna have to take this out, the EGR too. It's a pain in the butt to move it. I'm gonna try not to, but we'll see. But now I need to get underneath where I took the tire off down there. And just to let you know, you gotta take the wheel well plastic and stuff off above the tire to really get to these nuts to make it easier. I mean, you don't have to, but it's really easier. And just zip tie them up like I have it while hanging up. And then once you take the tire off, you can get to everything. So you're gonna take all these bolts, those bolts, those bolts, take it off and loosen this piece from the bottom, and that way you can just take the upper and leave the lower. And then I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'll get right back to you.